as I said before, by mappings and by a table. Example is if I had a set of ordered pairs, 1, 2, -2, 4, and 0, -3. Couple things, just a little review. The first point here, the first number here is called our x-coordinate, and the second one is our y-coordinate. Everything in math is alphabetical, so if you ever forget, x comes before y. Alright, showing this as a mapping. We'll put all of our x values in this first box, and we call that our domain. And so I have an x value of 1, an x value of -2, and an x value of 0. And then we do the same for our y values. We put it all in the second box, and we call this box the range. And we have 2, 4, and -3. Now the mapping is we just draw an arrow to whatever the number goes to. So this first one, x is 1, it goes to 2. So we just draw a nice little arrow. -2 goes to 4, draw another arrow. And 0 goes to -3. That's mapping. A table is pretty similar to the mapping. We have a T-chart with our x and then our y. And we do the same thing. We take our ordered pairs and put all of our x's, and it should go in order. For me, I'm not too concerned about order right now. Order meaning the smallest being -2, moving up to the biggest being 1. Anyways, you go 1 goes to +2, -2 goes to 4, and 0 goes to -3. That is a table. There we go. And then the last one is graphing. I'm really squeezing it on here. You have your x-axis. So all of our x-coordinates will be on this lovely number line. 2, -3, -2, -1. This being 0. And 1, 2, 3. And then our y-axis, 1, 2, 3. And going up to 4. And you try and evenly space this out as best you can. 1, 2, 3, 4. And this is our y-axis. And so all of our y values will be plotted on this vertical line. -1, -2, -3, -4. And -2, -3, -4. Okay, that's pretty sloppy, but you get the gist. So you can use your table, you can use your ordered pair, you can use your mapping even. I'm going to use the table since it's closest. So I'll go to my x value of 1, go over to 1, and then I go up to 2 on the y-axis. 1, 2. That's my first point. Check. The second point, you always start at your origin, which is 0, 0. It's the center intersection, or it's the only intersection on here. Go over to -2 on the x-axis. 1, 2. Go up to +4 on the y-axis. 1, 2, 3, and 4. And there's your second point. Last one is 0, -3. So start here at 0. Don't move anywhere. Go down to -3. 1, 2, 3. Now I do ask that you label this. It's easiest to label as you go. 1, 2, -2, +4, and 0, -3. Alright, that is relations in a nutshell. Once again, just to review, the domain is your x values or inputs. Your range are your y values or outputs. Alright, sweet.